Hello children, you are from grade 4, isn't it? Now you are going to learn lesson 4 in your English book. Lesson 4, the topic is Dragon Rock. Dragon, Dragon, Rock, Rock, Dragon Rock. It is going to be fun. This lesson is going to be fun and you will going to enjoy this lesson. Okay children? What is this picture, children? What is this animal called? Yes, dragon, isn't it? Dragon, dragon. I'm going to tell you a story and it is very imagination. Okay, not at all happened. It's just imagination story just to enjoy. Okay, children. So, people were very happy and they were living in the complete full of valleys and full of greenish area, and they were living the place called Hazel, Hazel, Hazel. Okay, so they were living in that particular valley. The people were very much happy, those who are living there. There are so many houses and the people are there, they are lived happily. So they will work hard. Okay, the people will work hard and keep their houses very clean and tidy. Okay, so they will maintain the neatness always, they will maintain the cleanliness always, and their children's also clean their houses and keep their clean area very cleanly. Okay, so that summer, this in summer days, in the summer holidays, it is very hot and also dry, there is no rain at all. Okay, so that the whole area is looking very hot and dry. So making the farm dogs, that means what, the dogs are there and some other animals like cat, dog and cow, everything is there, isn't it? So they are all still feeling very dry. So by 2 o'clock itself in the afternoon, the town, the whole city, that means that place, the valley, so the Hazel place would be in a sleepy mode. Okay, they all will sleep at the in the afternoon, because they will feel very hot and dry because they cannot go out. Okay, so that they started to sleep in the afternoon every day. So however, the children would always play in that area. Okay, so the favorite spot was a large long rock that looked like a sleeping drag. Okay, you are seeing in this picture, no? Yes, the same picture. Okay, is the same place. Okay, it is looking like a dragon, isn't it? But it is a rock. So the children know it was a dragon, so it is a dragon, not a rock. Okay children, so the grown-ups know also, that means what, the elder people also know that it was a dragon. So the dog and cats and birds know, everybody who are living in that Hazel, everybody knows that is a dragon, it is not a rock. Okay, but nobody was scared because it is an animal, it is a big animal. See how big it is, isn't it? So if we see the such a big animal, can we go near to the animal, children? No, we will get scared, isn't it? But the people who are living there, they are not at all scared, and nobody was scared because it never ever moved, because it is sleeping like a rock. How it is there, the same way all the time, whatever you do, it never ever moved from one place to another place. But it is a dragon, not a rock. Do you understood what I'm saying? Yes. So the girls and boys, small girls and small boys, you will go out for playing with your friends, isn't it? Nearby home, isn't it? Your neighbors. So the same way, the boys and girls who are there, they always climb all over the dragon. That means they will sit on the rock. That means what, the dragon, they will sit on the dragon and they will poke the sticks, and it can hanging some wet boots on his ears, on its ears. But the dragon did not mind at all for the least. That means what, he for a single, there is no movement at all. The dragon never mind at all what the people are doing on him. Okay children, so people would sometimes chop firewood on its zigzag tail also. They will, what they will do, keeping the wood on the tail, and they will cut the wood, but then the dragon never ever moved. So often on a cool night, the every night the stories, there heard a story, there is a story for the dragon. So what is that story? Is the story is about how the dragon got there began. So they know how dragon came here. So nobody knew for sure, but there is no what surety, there is no they don't know the truth. They imagine themselves what the others said, so what the elders said, so everything they believed in that. Okay, so but one thing that everybody know was what is that, in times of trouble the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. So what happened, that is, there is a poem. Okay, in times of trouble the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. So there is a village, what their belief, what the thing they are believing is, or they heard a story by their elders. All the people there in the village, everybody believe in that story. But what is that story is, in any trouble was in any trouble means what, any problem comes into that village, the dragon will wake. Before that it will not wake. Okay children, when the problem comes, if we cannot solve the problem, the people cannot solve the problem, the dragon will wake and free the village. He will, that particular dragon will make free people. Okay, free the village means what, the free the people, it will protect the people from that problem. Okay children, from the trouble, and making a lake, and it will make a lake. Okay children, so this is what their belief. Okay, they will believe in this particular story. Okay, so often they will, all the people, small children and the elders and the younger boys, everybody who are there, they always sing this poem. What is that poem? In times of trouble the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. This is the poem, everybody will sing this poem. This little poem, in times of trouble, the dragon will wake and free the village by making a lake. This little poem was deeply set in everybody's mind. Okay, so always they will sing this poem, like how we like, if we like one, any song, we will sing often, isn't it? So the same way all the people deeply set everybody's mind, and always they will sing this poem. So the days went slowly. Okay, the days are going and quietly, and without any rain. There is no rain at all in this village, there is no rain. So the well started to bring up muddy brown water. That means what, there is no rain. If there is no rain, what will happen children? Obviously we don't get water, isn't it? So everything become dry, isn't it? So the same way the well started to bring the muddy water. So there is no water, but there is only the sand. That means what, sand is there. So the lawns, everything, what are all the things, the river, pond, lake, everything, well, everything, there is no water at all in that places. Okay children, so after this the flowers, if there is no rain, if there is no water, will the plants will grow children? No, isn't it? It will get drier, isn't it? So the beautiful flowers hanging down. Okay, it is not growing further, isn't it? So it is falling down. So there is no greenish area. Everything, wherever they look, everything is dry, brown in color. There is no plants at all, there is no green plants at all, there is no flowers, there is no rain, nothing is there. So the valley became browner. That means what, it is looking very dry and also thirstier. Without water, what will happen? We don't have water to drink also, isn't it? It is very hot children, nobody can bear that hot. So the dragon will help us soon. Everybody are praying that dragon should get up soon, and he is going to help us. So he must do something. Agreed, everybody are saying that the dragon should come. Okay, he should come and help us, because the village people are in trouble, isn't it? They are believing that the dragon will come and make them free, isn't it? It will protect them in the problem. He will protect the people from the problem, isn't it? So always they are seeing that poem also, singing that poem also. They believe them hardly, okay, deeply and completely. They are believing in dragon to come out. A week after also there is no change, always dry, always hot, there is no water, there is no rain, nothing has changed, no change at all. So some people were getting angry while seeing the dragon rock. They are saying that why the angrily they are saying that they are when they are passing near to the dragon, everybody are getting angry. And also the children had a plan, so they should the dragon should get up, isn't it? So the children had a plan who are playing there, isn't it? The children had a plan. What they are doing is quickly and quietly they moved around the town, picking the fading flowers. There is no beautiful flowers are there, isn't it? Because as I said, the flowers are not blooming, isn't it? Because there is no water, there is no rain. So they picked up the fading flowers. There is no greenish and beautiful flowers, and even then they picked up some fading flowers and they placed bunches of flowers around the dragon in a big circle. See this picture, children, how they are placing all the flowers there. Yes, say they have put them in a big circle. Okay, so they around the all the bunches of flowers they have put around the dragon in a big circle. Okay, so they scattered petals around its head and over its nose, then danced around it. So whatever they can do, the small children, what they can do, they did all those things. Okay, so they started to put the whole flowers for the whole area and started to sing and dance. Okay, children, so they started to sing the poem. What is that poem? Yes, in times of trouble, the dragon will wake and save the village by making a lake. The same poem everybody are singing, the small girls and boys. Okay, so everybody are singing that, and that rhyme, the poem, and they all know. They all know so well that the dragon should come up. Okay, it will come and save our lives. So everybody are believing that. So after that they fell into sleep. They went to their home and they have locked their door and they are sleeping. So after that they waking up and they are seeing there is no change at all. Okay, the dragon still is there, nothing, no change at all, and there is no change at all. So nothing had happened. So there is a dry wind lazily picked up some flowers heads and tossed them around. Okay, so the air was very thick and it is very hot and it is very dry. So there is no bloom, there is no scent, even what the smell is also very dry. So that much they are suffering for the water. So after some times it was slowly moving. Who is slowly moving? Yes, the dragon was moving slowly. So the youngest boy, the small boy who is standing there, he noticed that dragon is moving very slowly. They stared at the dragon. The ear was moving very slowly, and the tail was moving very slowly. So the children, after seeing that moving, the dragon moving, the children ran in all directions. That means what? They don't want to stand near the dragon because it will harm, isn't it? So what happened? All the children who were standing there, they were running like anything fast. They were running, and also they are making some noise. If you get scared, what will happen? Obviously you will shout like anything. You will give such different noise, isn't it? The same way the children is also running in all the directions and making such noise. Okay, so as slowly it is taking time and it is growing and growing. That dragon raised its sleepy head. So one after the long time, after a very long time, the dragon looking up. Okay, it is raising his sleepy head. So what happened? It is going in front. The dragon is taking his front feet and keeping on the ground, the floor. The dragon sat like a dog. Okay, it stood up and stretched like a cat, and it is blinking and looked around all over the place, and with a big kind long lashed eyes. It is very big, isn't it? Look at this picture, children. It is how it is big, no? Yes, it is very big. And soon all the people came to know the matter. The dragon was awake. So all the people stood together. Everybody are standing in one place, and they were very much scared also. So they were staring. That means what? They all are seeing the dragon, what it is doing. Okay, so they were open, mouths open, means what? They were feeling wow, because they didn't even see such expressions, such a big animal like this, isn't it? So they are not going near to the dragon, and they were standing and they are looking at the dragon. So sometimes they will close their eyes also, because they cannot see the dragon what he is doing, isn't it? So because they are all very much scared, isn't it? So the noise came from the dragon. It is different noise, it is coming from the dragon. So the families all held in one place, and they are holding their hands very tightly, and also sometimes they are shutting their eyes. Okay, so it is a very different noise coming from the dragon. So it is blasted means what, children? Made a very loud and unpleasant noise. It is very what, we cannot hear the noise for a continuously for a long time. It is very blasted noise. What is mean by blasted, children? Blasted, blasted. So made a very loud and unpleasant noise. Who is making unpleasant noise? Yes, the dragon. So it is throwing it back. It is making some noise, blasted noise, and the whirlwind of dust and dirt, it is coming out. So the second time, when the dragon is blasting his noise, the second blast, the split open the dry earth. So the noise, see this picture how it is? Yes, so the same thing. So it is sending oil and tree roots coming in high into the sky. That much force it is giving. Okay, so something is there happening there, and the water is coming out from the earth. So the people heard the sound, but they did not come out to see what is happening. Okay, at first they are very much scared, isn't it? They are not coming out, and after that for the first time they are not coming out, but they are hearing the noise. They are hearing the sound of the dragon. So it had been such a long time since their eyes had heard such tinkling music. That means what? They are hearing the noise for a long time, for an hour. Okay, so they are hearing that noise. So after some times that they were hearing the noise, water, water, water. So after what happened? The water coming out from the earth. Okay, so it is very happiness to everybody, isn't it? So that was the whole, and it is coming out, water is coming out, and the river also filled the valley. Everything what is there in that village, everything is filled with water. So it was looking lovely. Okay, it is very shining. It is, the ground is looking very shining. Everything is, the sunlight is, and that day the sunlight is also shining like anything. So it was a lovely lake. So when the dragon made a lake. What does mean by lake, children? In Tamil we will say eri, isn't it? So the dragon made a lake. So they said the dragon very sleepy and showing his perfect teeth. It is what? It is laughing. So he is saying that I am awake. So you are waiting for my presence, isn't it? The people are waiting for his presence. They produce the lake. Who produced the lake? Yes, the dragon produced the lake. So said the dragon is giving some noise and making some noise and showing his perfect teeth, and he moved forward slowly and disappeared into the cool dark water in the lake. Okay, children, see this picture how it is going. It is lake, isn't it? It is called what? Lake. So slowly moving forward. Who is moving? Yes, the dragon is moving forward and disappearing slowly. It is disappearing into the cool dark water. So some wave of a claw and toss of his tail. So they never saw him again. What happened? The dragon went inside the lake he will not come out after this. Okay, so they never saw him again. So after the family, everybody is there, see there, all the people are standing near the lake and watching what is happening, isn't it? So the dragon slowly went inside to the lake, and he given the water to all, isn't it? So after that, what happened, the families built the village again. So what village again means, what, children? Yes, they were very much happy to see the water, isn't it? So they built a monument, they built a what separate place. Okay, so they structure a building to make honor special person, isn't it? That who is the special person here? Yes, the dragon is the special person. So they constructed the building for dragon, where the dragon used to lie, the same place. Okay, every year they mark the day, and they would bring garlands of flowers, full of flowers, bunch of flowers, all the beautiful colorful flowers and herbs, everything, and they will arrange them in a big circle in the monument, and they will celebrate the dragon like anything. Okay, children, so the children would have the day off, they will take a leave. Okay, so they won't go to school, and if it was known as water dragon day. Okay, water dragon day. So it was the water dragon day, they will used to celebrate this particular day. Okay, children, so they would wear dragon mask, they will all those things. So what the celebration means, what they will feel happy, isn't it? So, and they will skip everything, and they used to dance, clap and sing and dance. Okay, children, so the poem again, the poem changed like into happiness. What is that poem is, the dragon helped us as we said he would do. Hooray for the dragon, acho, acho, acho. So, what does that mean is, the dragon helped the people, isn't it? The dragon helped the people. So, as we said, always the people who are living there always believed in dragon, isn't it? Say so every time they will sing that poem, isn't it? Before I have read one poem, isn't it? So every time they will sing that poem. They believed that story completely, that any one day the dragon will get up. So the same thing happened. So as we said he would do. So hooray for the dragon. That means what? They are expressing their happiness. So they are singing the poem. Okay, children. So this is the story. Here ends the story. So they are all happy with the dragon. Okay. So this is the story. I hope you all understood this story, the dragon rock. Okay. So after watching this video, take your book and read each and every line, so that you can understand the lesson even more better, and you can also pronounce the words, and you can remember the wordings also. Okay, children, don't forget to read the lesson again. Okay, if you don't understand, watch the video again and again. Okay, children, I hope you all understood this lesson. Okay, we will meet in the next video class. Thank you so much, children.